Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make hard candy for cake decorating. Preheat a candy thermometer and line a work surface with silicone or parchment and have a heat-proof spatula ready. I will guide you through measuring, boiling to the correct temperature, adding flavor and color, and pulling or pouring the candy safely. Follow my simple steps for stable results, clear instructions, and practical tips to avoid crystallization and burns. Bring sugar, water, and a bit of corn syrup to a steady boil and clip your candy thermometer to the pan. Watch closely as the mixture progresses through stages. Be patient and don't stir once vigorous boiling begins. When it reaches the hard crack temperature, act quickly to remove from heat, add flavor and color off the heat, and pour or shape the candy on prepared mats while using oven mitts and a long-handled spatula. If you are finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and hit like to support the channel and get more baking tips. Quick recommendation: life is too short for cheap socks, so go darn tough with a lifetime warranty for reliable comfort while you stand at the stove. They are a small upgrade that makes long sessions nicer. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Once the candy hits the right temperature, stir in concentrated gel color and clear flavorings off the heat so the candy stays glossy. Pour in ribbons or molds, or pour onto a mat and score or pull when it is cool enough to handle safely. Work in small batches to control texture and avoid overcooking. Store finished decorations in airtight containers with a small desiccant, and always handle shards carefully to prevent injury.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.